All right. This is not good. But it really could have been worse. I'm thinking about getting a roll pan. So I don't even need this tow package, so I'm just gonna take it off and the bumper. Just checking things out a little bit. Bump stops are gone, both sides. And I went in and looked a little further. And you see that? That is not good. This side's not bad. But yeah. I might have to get up in there. Get a little zap on that. That's pretty bad right there. Loosen it with a breaker bar first. Knock this out. Well, that one actually does kind of work. Look at that. It should just come out. It's got way too much play in it. From the frame to the mounting point, which would be about 4 inches or a light 4 inches. And then wherever it's sitting, make sure you don't move it after you level it. I would like to go from the top of the hole, get a level mark, 3 3/8 light. Now we can cut that off. I think I'm gonna leave a little bit of this, just because I do not know how strong or thick this support bar is. Feels pretty solid, but just to be safe, I'm gonna leave a little tiny bit of meat on there to weld to. This side's pretty good. It's really the other side that's giving us trouble and rotting out. I had to put a little patch in. So yeah, let's knock that bitch out of here. I don't really know how, but it makes me feel comfortable. Mark next to the gas. What kept my gas tank from blowing up my face. A little extra precaution. The outside, the passenger outside, is pretty good. Still about the same size it was.
they're spot welded in. Let it cool down in between.
I see little tiny sparks, but I'm looking up. Are you still welding?
I'm gonna do it nice and slow, that way I don't melt, make it too hot and warp it. Well guys, I'm just taking my time, spot welding, and I'm pretty impressed. It's already solid, but I'm gonna finish her up nice and slowly, let it cool down. That way we don't fuck anything up in this old metal. So yeah guys, hopefully this video can help you guys out. Just take your time, pretty much do anything. Prettiest, but it's definitely in there. So